August the 30th is going down at Warehouse Live, man. My man, Bang will be in that thing. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Be in that thing, man. Performing, man. Y'all come out, man. Support these Houston artists, man. Show love, man.
There's a lot of talent, man, folks. I'm trying to, you can't overlook this talent, man. It's real right here.
But I'm gonna tell you like this here. We gonna put it in your face, man. You gonna have to
recognize,
respect it. You know what I'm saying?
Get down or lay down.
Yeah, it's going down, man. Like I say, man. Any other things that you got going on besides like the music thing, man? You got any like videos that you're working on?
Yeah, man. I got the Love My City video coming in October. Really, I'm just focused on that right now. No mixtapes or anything. Also, my album will drop probably in January.
Okay.
It's called Respect My Grind, like you say. You know, they gotta respect it, man.
Sure.
You know, we all out here grinding for a reason. You know, but what I try to tell everybody, man, don't forget what you came for.
Already.
They, they get sideswiped by all the beef and everything, man. Stay focused, man. It's about that bread.
Yeah.
So
beef, I don't even. I don't understand it.
Wow.
Because I'm gonna just say this here, and we ain't gotta just go deep into that. I mean, but the beef nowadays is funny to me because boys, women, or whatever you want to call it, they actually tight to each other. And back in the Gap, I came to see you, and either we were gonna drink something, or we was gonna do what we had to do, and then whatever it is after that, you know what I'm saying, it was what it was, you know what I'm saying? So let's cut out all the beef, like you say, man. Let's get to this music, man, because that's where the money is. You know what I'm saying? And if you understand the business, man, there's a lot of money out here to get with that internet, and then it's a lot of networking. You can meet a lot of people in doing this thing.
Yeah, speaking of networking, nice, bro. Tell me, bro, and also the people, how do you feel about the importance of networking?
Well, I mean, it's a lot of egos going around.
Right.
And honestly, myself, everybody I can't network with, I mean, it's different egos, but you also meet those types of people that you like, okay, I can get with him, I can feel him, because if we're on the same path, then we got something to talk about. But if I'm going left and you going right, it's going to be difficult to get on the same path. Everybody don't want what we want in this grind, so you got to kind of stray away from those people, because a lot of people just want the beef. A lot of people just want the women and the fame. I don't want none of that if I don't have to get it, but it comes with it.
Let me speak on the egos, man. And I'm just gonna keep it 100. I do this radio thing, and I do it for real. You know what I'm saying? I do it for real. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't trying to be all up in the videos and all. I ain't tripping on all that, man. Just because you opened up for somebody, don't mean that you made it. You know what I'm saying? Just because you sold 100 CDs, don't mean that you made it. You understand what I'm saying? Because that same money that you getting for them 100 CDs, we get in tax returns. You know what I'm saying? And I'm being so real. You gotta understand, man, that if we stick to, and not to be preaching and all of that, I'm just saying, if we stick together in this thing, like now, the station is packed. It's because we try to create unity in this thing, man. You know what I'm saying? So everybody in here, if y'all link up, do songs together, that's more music that we got to promote. You know what I'm saying? So I hope Bobby Black and my man's here can get, you know what I'm saying, get a song together. You know what I'm saying? Already, you know what I'm saying? So you know, Kello with the Jello out there, that's a TV show that you can get on, you know what I'm saying? So, man, we do this thing, man. We need to cut out all that nonsense, because while we are focused on the nonsense, everybody is taking what we do and building on it. You know what I'm saying? They capitalizing on it. And I can't be mad at them. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just leave it at that. We're gonna jump into your song, man. Go ahead and officially introduce your song, man.
Yo, y'all check out the #1 hit in the nation. Not the city, not the world, but the nation. Mo Bucks, Love My City.
Already, man. It's going down, man. GMTRadio.com. That's how we do this thing.
I love my city. I love my city. Yeah, come on. I love my city. If you from where I'm from, fuck with me. I be all up in these streets. I be riding through my hood. Got that heat, dog. So everything good. I wouldn't have it any other way. I love my city. I love my city, dog. End of the day, I love my city. I love my city, dog.
Hands up. Middle finger
us down. Wherever you from, just rip it until you see the sky. See where I'm from, we sell it, flip it, and multiply. Blow leather coats, Tylenols, colognes, and bean pies. You see since me how we been hustling. We ain't have a choice. When you see me out and I'm grinding, holla, go get 'em, boy. And you a silly boy. If you think money ain't the motive, you a damn fool. If you thinking native bows ain't still poking. We for real, homie. Keep the steel on me. Meet me in the field. Gorillas peel clips like banana peels. Check out the whip appeal. Microsoft with Bill Gates. Leather smooth as a seal's face. Swinging, breaking the wheelbase. Through foes and eights. We keep 'em by the gallon. Badass women from thick to skin and they both some stallions. We handle ours, master ours, and keep it stacking. Struggle till the come up, then we gon' see it happen.